Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on today with hashtag Two Crafters, One Design, hosted by myself, Mo Creations, Girliest Cards, which is Gloria, and you see why I'm a diva. And every week we enter in our makes into the hashtag Set More Makes, hosted by Jillian Norwood. And make sure you use both of those to show us what you're creating. All right, so if you didn't visit my channel yesterday, we had a My Creative Time release, and she has released this adorable little card set. I absolutely adore it. It measures 3.75 by 4.75. It's just the perfect card to send a note or make little a pack of little cards to send to someone as stationery gifts. It's just adorable. And if you want to head over to her channel. Hopefully she has not sold out. Anyways, you can use my code MOE to get your 15% off your total purchase. That's MOE. Let's jump into what I've created. So that's this little 3.75 by card base that I was talking about, and you can see it a little better on my card. Then I also used this here, which I'm sorry, it is retired, but I wanted to make sure I got my hands on this. It was the newspaper background, and love the impact that it gives on the card. And this beautiful little Bible that I picked up from Cottage Cuts. Love this. It's just so cute on this card. Perfect. It's absolutely perfect. And then I also use spellbinders, and I'm using Sending You Strength From Here. So I broke out that foil machine yesterday and foiled up some words, and I kept that one off to the side so I could use it on this cute little card. Isn't that adorable? I love this card. Oh my gosh, I plan on making a whole set. I'm going to give it to our pastor's wife on her birthday, so I'll give her a set of little cards to give away, but love that. It is adorable. I did not add any thought about it though, but I didn't add any little gems, and actually thinking about it, it's enough. It's perfect without the gems. It looks amazing. It's perfect for a lady. Thought with the colors it was going to look kind of manly, but I love it. Absolutely love it. Too cute. And then there goes the inside of the card as well. I just added a little lily down there. All right, so anyways, I'll leave My Creative Time's link down below if you'd like to purchase this card. And then don't forget to use MOE to get your 15% off your total purchase. Just wanted to tell you real quick, next week's theme is to use a basket. So you can still make some more Easter projects if you like. So that's all I have for you. Make sure you check out the picture at the end. Thanks so much, everyone, and you all have a blessed and crafty day.